I grew up with seizures starting from like puberty, and so I used to have a beautiful smile, and then I started having these seizures, and when you have a seizure you bite down really hard, and it was fracturing my teeth, so I started losing pieces of teeth. I would lose the whole tooth itself, and so just a lot of dental problems from that point on, from pain to not being able to smile. Like when I smile, we've done some, but really like when I smile, I go to the side and like my daughter goes, "Oh, you're a pirate, you look like a pirate," and I do, so that's our little joke, is like arg. But it's funny at home, but it's really not. It hinders, my self-esteem is affected. When I'm out and I'm with friends and I go to laugh, I'm covering my mouth, and I feel insecure about the way that I look, and it's uncomfortable.
Here she's missing teeth in multiple areas, and so we've replaced those missing teeth with dental implants. So we're going to prepare the natural teeth as well as finalize the implants so that her smile and the aesthetics and the bite is restored. So she'll have a beautiful smile, and this will make a tremendous difference for her, a major transformation.
If you live here, you know exactly who he is, and that's who you want to have your teeth done by. You want Dr. Willardsen. So I just was so blessed to be able to get in and have his help, and he agreed to take me, and such a godsend.
Our goal is to restore the aesthetics so it looks beautiful, as well as the function, so that when she chews, she's chewing equally on both sides. She's not having to choose one side or another. She is, feels balanced, because if you have any imbalance, something feels off. It'd be kind of like if you had a pebble in your shoe and you went to go for a 5-mile run. You know, your body will adapt to that, but it's not good for your knees and your hips and everything. Exactly the same thing with our teeth. And once the imbalance is corrected, it's noted. Our mind recognizes the correction of the imbalance, and it really puts us all back in line.
I'm finally doing it. I'm so excited.
Okay, we're done. After 8 hours. How many hours has it been? Almost 8 hours.
You've been gone for a while. You're like, where I've been? We've been working so hard on you.
The emotion behind when she first came in. She was very shy.
You good?
He gave me a smile and self-esteem all in one.
That's right.
Okay, I just have to try not to go overboard, like The Mask. You know that movie, The Mask, with Jim Carrey?
Yeah.
Of course.
Okay, so I'm not gonna be like smoking. But I just want to show my teeth right. I just feel like going.